Oh my god, I did not mean to take that long of a shower. I thought I did that faster. RD, yes you are. You're actually the first in chat, dude. You are shaping up to be the best mod in the server possible. Unless you left because you said it's also your job. But I see in the stream avatars thing, which means the YouTube stream avatars thing still works. I'm over here, don't worry. My earphones kept falling on my ears because your boy was good and he washed his ears. And, you know, rubber and water don't mix. That's a little known fact in science. Go to school, kids. Do your schooling. Do your schooling at school, kids. Concurrent viewers is... Oh. Damn. Alright. Either way, that's enough of my yapping, my yammering, my whatevers. I plugged in... Oh, wait. Nope. I forgot the last thing to plug in. There we go. There we go. Boom. There we go. Light. What? No, my camera's already dying. Dude, no. Did I not turn it off? No. Okay. All right. Let's see how long this will last before it explodes. This is gonna be fun. I don't like the little red notification I'm getting, but either way, what's going on, everybody? Ooh, whoa. You see that kind of like glow? What's happening right there? All right, there you go. What's going on, everybody? My name is Zach. This is I Know Entertainment. Maybe that's my camera time. And welcome back to the stream. We have a little bit of a packed one today. I actually did do some design work, so we're just gonna get that done now that my camera's dying and we're kind of on a little bit of a time crunch. Let's just get into it. No work timer today. We're locking the hell in. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so first things first, switching over to the dev scene, you can see OBS in its infinite glory. Opening up Godot. Dude, we are not locked in. Holy crap. Opening up Bag, and then we're opening up our Notion. Okay, so I made a bunch of new stuff today. First things first, we're just gonna get this done. It's a room trunk loading system, because I couldn't figure out the best way to handle this per se. But I think the better way we could do this, and just make sure that's good. And here, what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to extend our thing here on the Z-axis. It's at 20 right now. Let's multiply that by 3. There we go. That's good. And we'll do the same thing for our mesh here. So 60. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take our apartments right here. I'm gonna duplicate these bad boys and move them over to their respective areas. And actually, we are gonna take our collision shape again right here. Make sure I can see the chat. And we're going to make this 100 actually. Get a little more space. Same thing with you. Make you 100. And now basically all we're doing is we're just making sure that the rooms load in and out accordingly. And let's see, we got our apartment here, and we got our apartment here. Duplicate you guys, put them over here. Duplicate you guys, put you over here. And I'm pretty sure the apartments themselves all have a reference to the player. So, yep, we got a player here, which isn't right. We do need a reference to, oh God, my headset just fell apart. It's fine, we're going, where did that go? Oh wait, I found it. Oh, cool. So I think what we have to do for this part is we just need to have it where the chunks themselves actually just know when they are near the player. And I think the best way to go about that is just making sure each of them have a reference to the player themselves. And this is actually a good time to create another autoload script that just has a constant reference to all the players or all the things in existence. So I'm gonna go to scripts here, we're gonna go to autoloads, we're gonna create a new thing called common refs. New script and autoloads, we're gonna call this one common refs. There we go. And inside here, we're gonna have one called let's see, var player, let's type bag player. There we go. And in my to-do, making sure I have this right here. Oh, perfect, play ref. So we're basically just going to copy this right here. Go to common refs, back player is equal to nothing until the player exists. So we're gonna go here for our back player. We're gonna also set up a project setting so we can get the auto load in there. We're going to add the script we just created. There you go, common refs. We're gonna call this one common. Oh, cool. Add, and there we go. Now we're gonna go into our player script here. back player. And on a ready function, we're going to create a func ready. We are going to say common refs dot player is equal to self. Let's call it player ref actually, and we'll do the same thing in common refs here. Player ref. Sweet. Now if we go to our apartment here, where is it? Autoload, it's in VentGD actually. Player ref, where are you being used? Are you being used here? So we're gonna say onReadyVar is equal to common refs dot player ref. There we go. So player ref is equal to that. That fixes that. We can actually get rid of this to do here, so we have a constant reference to it. And then if we go over back to here, our apartment thing, all we really need to do is basically check this is open right here, and we just need the apartments to load in and out depending on if the players, if the door is open and the player's nearby. Figure that out later, but now we're gonna say we're gonna put this here, func process. Just want this to check every frame. Say if oh god, if is open is equal to false, then I want to return it out. Else we want to say if, and let's get another export right here. At export var chunk load range. Jethro, Jethro has been having some crazy allergies lately, so he is itching non-stop, and I have to make sure he doesn't chew his little tail off, or his giant tail actually. Yeah, there you go, buddy. There you go. Get some good scratchies in there. Yeah, that's a good boy. Huh? There you go, Jethro. There you go. Good boy. All right. Good job, bud. I know. I know. Can you see the camera? Can you all see him, camera? You can see his snout. Yes, you can. Love you, buddy. Oh god. Yeah, okay, I see each other. I know. Don't go under there. There's a lot of wires. I guess it's where we live now. Alright, chunk load range, we're going to set that equal to a flow. We're going to set it equal to 1,000 from now. Then we're going to set to do here. Make const good value is found. And basically what we want to do is on our apartment itself. It's right there. So we want to say here. On back player. In the apartment itself. If it's open is equal to false return. If let's see, vector3 dot dis. Nah, if global position dot distance squared to vector3, we're gonna get conref dot player ref dot global position. There we go. Is less than or equal to chunk load range. Pass for now, so I can do that, and I can do a little backslash right there, so I can get that. Then we're gonna say show level and else hide level. Okay, so if this works, what we're basically saying is if the door is open, if the door isn't open, return. But if it is open and the player is close enough to the level, load the level in. So if this works and we have all of our apartments in place, and if I click this fun little, let me close Sandbox real quick and just open the main. There we go. And is there any changes here that haven't added to Sandbox that I just don't understand yet? No, Sandbox is its own thing, so I can delete Sandbox actually out of this, and I can just put in level generator. There we go. To our main. And now we can just run it. It should just straight up work. Not all vents connected. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. And my mouse isn't working either. All right, we're learning some new things here. What went wrong? So we go to our level generator. Unpaired vents is equal to 2. That's odd. It's that is really weird because each vent should just be paired. unpaired vents. Yeah, because like this one should be able to leave this one. This one should be able to leave this one, unless. Oh, you know what I didn't do? I didn't assign each of our apartments a letter. Got A, B. This needs to be. Oh wait, if I do this, is it going to do it for all of them because they're not unique? Nope. A, B, C. There we go. This one's supposed to be D. This is E. This is F. This is G. This is H. This is I. This is J. It's weird that they didn't all. It's weird that some of them are even able to pair, but we're gonna find out what's going on there. Load. There we go. Nope. Okay, someone wrong in the level generator for the vent portions of the junk. Is it because of what I did here? If length of unpaired. No, wait, what? Okay. For I in unpaired vents and J in unpaired vents. Okay, we'll fix that after we just test out the. Why? What's wrong with backplate here? Why isn't the? Did I? Yeah, what's okay, this is getting weirder. Why is my cursor available? Shouldn't be. Okay, we got a lot of things that aren't working how they're supposed to. It's great, it's chill, we're doing great. Back player. Oh, that's why. Dude, okay, that's one thing to fix. We gotta go to the here, and we'll figure out what's wrong with the vent system. That's a problem for another time. Apartment 3, let's open you. Oh, you know what else I didn't do? I didn't set up the apartment. Oh, I did set up the generation range, which is way too much. So it's like 500, and then we'll figure out what's wrong with the vent system because that kind of sucks that that doesn't work. Does it play as a control too? It is at 5. Not that, so I can just do it quicker. There we go. Hey, you see that? Look at that. That's some good stuff. Look at, we got chunks loading now. So if I go to way too long, there we go. We got them loading in and out. Sweet. So I think that's actually the first thing I have in my task list right here. Check the performance between chunk load, and I'm not even gonna do that. It just works. We're not gonna optimize yet. Get that out of here. No optimization, dude. Just set that to done. Now let's just figure out why the vents aren't pairing, because that's the biggest problem. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is instead, let's see, I think on the Quake controller that I set it to escape. Yeah, there we go. So if input that mouse mode is either equal to input the mouse mode captured, then input that mouse mode is equal to input mouse mode visible. Let's try that out. Else or elif input that mouse mode. Oh wait, it's not equal to. Oh wait, no, else. We're just gonna set or just else. Then input the mouse mode to input the mouse mode capture. Because it's anything other than I should be able to do this. Now let's just quickly run it and just see if tapping escape does what we need it to. There we go. Is this even happening? Let's try this out. Okay, you're not going back. That's cool. Oh, because I'm doing comparison. That'd be great if I knew how to code it right. Okay, we got that going on here. So now we can do that. Yeah, we can go back to debugging properly. All right, cool. let's go over to our apartment here, into our encounter, into our vents, and just see what happened here. So that got assigned to A70. Yeah, that's correct. You got assigned to B36. Yeah, and if this is C, then C69. Nice. Okay. So I don't know why I don't know why this didn't pair correctly then. Because if it's always 2 are left out after all the vents are paired, or at least not paired correctly, we can go to our level generator here. Yeah, unpaired vents 2. And what are we looking at here? What are you? H35 didn't get paired with. Which doesn't make sense because unless there's an uneven amount of vents and I just don't know about that. Nope, there's 10 vents, so it's weird that only 2. Unless there's something I didn't do here on the level generator that's kind of screwed up. Okay, so for I and unpaired vents, and then it runs through each of them in the J. I'm pretty sure continue just makes it move on to the next iteration of it. Oh, you know what? This is what it is. This was wrong. That break happens too early. Because what needs to happen is whenever the loop happens here, this break only needs to occur when the this break only needs to occur like when a vent is paired, so it can move on to the next thing. I think that might fix it. Let's run it. No, okay, that didn't fix it. In fact, I wonder if that made that worse. No, we're still stuck in the same problem. Is it also the H1 again? It's H50 for you. Is it just really the last 2? H and I, HIJ. Okay, so it's those for some reason. Alright, let's do this. We are going to do this print, checking. Let's do str over plus I dot event ID 0 plus and let's do another one. Get plus j dot event ID 0. Okay, and instead of doing that there, let's do that here, and just run that, and we're gonna see what prints out. Okay, so we got a few here, checking A and A, checking A and B, that does right, checking D and C, checking J and F. Okay, so that's why, so we're going A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So it looks like it is working whenever it works, basically is what I'm saying. Oh, and let's just say it to event ID instead of event ID 0. Oh, is this, why is it only printing the, oh, oops, that's why. There we go. Check this one out. Okay. So it like checks A for the first one, and then it says, okay, that doesn't work because it's the same one. Then checks B for the next one, just checks D, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then H, I. So I'm guessing, huh. Alright, I think the easiest way to do this is just pairing the last 2 vents. So right here, we're gonna say if len unpaired vents, say if Len, hey, Matt Studio, welcome to the stream. Oh, it's going pretty well. I'm breaking what we did yesterday, which is always fun. But outside of that, we're chilling. How about you? How you doing today? We're gonna say if len of unpaired events is, I guess, modulo 2. Try that. See if we go to 0 and run. This could create an infinite series. I really hope it doesn't do this. Run pair events, and if this works, then that would be cool. If not, we're gonna just quickly back up our projects. Added chunk loading system and testing. Added a check to see if there are an even amount of levels load in and out, depending on how close the player is to them. Added a check to see if there are any events left over in a event pair and recursively. Okay. Testing new event changes. Okay, so theoretically this should work because there's always going to be like an even amount of ends at the end, and it's going to be the same. So I should see a big old green tip fudge. All right, check random curse. I knew this was going to happen. Okay, I'm glad that it just stopped working. Or we're gonna say check. We're gonna say this. If it's modulo 2, we're gonna print doubles. Okay. That's cool. Let's say if it's just equal to 2, do the same thing. All right. So, big problem I'm realizing here is, what if I create a level with? We're gonna have to really work on this actually now that I think about it. Because like, what if I create a level with an uneven amount of rooms, and each of those rooms generate a vent, and then each of those vents need to pair to another one, and then it just actually doesn't work. Because I really want this vent system to work. Like, it's a really crucial part of the game. So here's what I'm thinking. We run 2 checks and we see if there's an even amount of vents. If there's not an even amount of vents, hey, the Boom Boy, welcome to the stream. How you doing? I'm thinking, okay, I think this is what we're gonna do. So if we have a, also I see you in the stream avatars over there, go see what's good. If we have a specific vent room that only leads to like an open, like a blank space, you know, if you hit like a maze, you're doing good, I'm glad to hear that. We will create, yeah, we're gonna create a vent dead end room. That's what we're gonna do here. So if that doesn't pair, they all lead to a vent dead end room. I think that's like the best way to fix this. So you could potentially just have a level where there is a bunch of vent dead end rooms, and since the vents kind of randomly generate an encounter every time you enter it, that's probably the best fix. That way you don't have to do like a bunch of code or like extra code to do that. And I can make my life so much easier, which I think we all need to do sometimes. So we're gonna call this one vent room. This was dead end vent or dead end duct. Let's do that. Let's make this let's make this a little bit of alliteration. And get rid of you. There we go. Delete vent B. So we have that, and dead end duct is gonna be easy to see because it's a completely different area. And now what we need to do is, in the event that there are unpaired rooms, these dead end ducts just lead to a dead end duct. How long have I been working on this? I said a week. Last time I think someone asked me that. Let's see. Oh yeah, exactly a week. Wow, look at that. I've been working on this for a week. Really trying out random generation based on a Roblox game. I keep forgetting what it is. But you know what's that apartment one? That apartment Roblox game? Yeah. Are the vents gonna be like a teleport, or are you gonna be able to crawl through them? So the vents are gonna teleport you to like a duct encounter, and they're gonna allow you to go to different apartments. Because most of the times, these times the apartments are gonna be locked. You could like kick down a door or something like that because you're a hoodlum. In this game, I'm not calling you a hoodlum in real life, unless you are one. Then do some good. Go to a soup kitchen. But you will enter a vent, go through a transitional space. It's gonna be a random encounter each time, but then each of these vents are gonna be paired to an end vent where they will teleport you to another apartment. So it's a different way of navigation throughout the entire game. And what I'm doing right now is kind of brute forcing the fact that my vent system doesn't work, and I'm gonna say if a vent doesn't get paired, it just will lead you to the vent room. So we're gonna do that. Vent. The only reason you made this account is to chat in lives. Hey, no, that's what's up. I'm glad you chose my chat. Yeah, we're pretty active here too. Or at least I yap a lot. What's it doing? Oh yeah, so I need to make sure that these connect to the correct one. This needs to be vent dead. Let's call that one that. And we need to say, let's actually make a reference to this guy here. Because we're gonna turn these into separate scenes, but just for testing right now. The level generator themselves, let's go here. We're gonna say if unpaired vents is greater than 0, we're going to say for I in unpaired vents, or actually we're gonna do two different things. We're gonna say if unpaired vents is greater than 0 and len unpaired vents is modulo 2. Oh crap. There you go. Unpaired vents modulo 2 is equal to 0. Then we're gonna add back in this print statement, not that print statement. Dang it. We're gonna say print rich here. Not rich. We're gonna do some whatever this is. Color is equal to orange. I'm pretty sure that's built in. And we're gonna put this bold right here. All vents have end, but an even amount or not paired. And we need to then close the tag that, and then close the tag with this. Oh yeah, so yeah, these are the little stream avatars. It took a while. Oh yeah, you got the Hollow Knight one, nice. We just got that working yesterday. Someone's like, I can't remember if someone made like the Kratos meme reference. I think they actually did, and I completely blanked on it. But yeah, we finally got this working after like months of streaming. And you go for I and unpaired vents. We are going to say I.exit vent is equal to vent dead. And then I.exit vent is equal to vent dead as well. There we go. Oh wait, I just realized because this dead end duct has a different script in it. It has a vent room script. We're gonna do a different one. I'm just gonna create a different script, dude. I'm not gonna think about proper stuff. Dead end. Oh yeah, the thing. Did I say it's called Stream Avatars? It's on Steam right now. It actually might be on sale because it's the summer sale. Create dead end rooms. There we go. We just need to basically close other tabs. We need to just copy this script right here. Oh wait, why did I do that? Dude, I didn't even have to do this. This is so dumb. All right, delete this. Control Z a few times to get back here. We need that. There we go. And now what I have to do is I just have to run it where vent A and vent B. Oh, it doesn't have a vent B. That's the problem. Okay, I'm smart-ish again. We're gonna add the script back. We're loading it in. Not you. Where is it? Dead end room. I put that in the scenes. Gosh dang it. Goes right here. All we need to do is write a, I guess, make a reference to the vent. On ready var dead vent of type vent, and it's equal to. There we go. And just to make sure that we do this, we want to basically assign this guy here and do this one here. But instead of doing this, we want dead vent equal to, we're gonna say, not that, we're gonna get rid of this piece right here. Oh, you think it's just, oh wait, is it just you and me chilling? It is. Oh no, we got, I think it's a studio in? An overlook ghosty on the Twitch side. If it is just you and me chilling, yo, let's have this real conversation. Let's talk about the real stuff then. What kind of hot pocket you messing with? You going ham and cheese or you going pizza? These are very important questions. And depending on what you answer, it depends on how long you get to stay in the stream. I screw up my hair even further. It's weird. I can never figure out my dreads. This is what we're gonna do. So we're setting up our vent system here. We need dead vent at exit vent is equal to start vent. Here we go. No, wait. Where did I mess up? No, okay, I think it's right. Dead vent. This needs to be dead vent. This also needs to be, you don't know, were you British? Alright, cool. You're good then. That's probably the best answer since Hot Pockets are terrifying. What's up? I think you're actually our third viewer from Britain. That's good. What brings you to the game dev side of YouTube, by the way? Or at least the YouTube streaming side of things. I'm always curious to see what brings people over here. Okay, so we're just assigning the same thing. Dead vent apartment ref. Oh, okay, no. Did I do this right? Because the player does that vent. Start vent. Start vent never changes, it's just this. So we need dart, yeah, okay, dead vent apartment red. Okay, cool. I just made that a little more confusing for myself, but this should work. And then, the vent should work the exact same way. Like, I don't think I made vent specific code unless I'd made it is vent room flag, which I did do there. Is broken vent. Oh, look at that. I know I literally just add that, but I forgot. You always want to interact with the creator as a viewer? Oh, snap. Welcome to doing that. It's, I don't know, I hope it's fun. I don't really want to say there. We do sometimes do some gaming and bass after we do some streaming. So I think I might hit a bass song at the very end of that. Oh, this is your first stream with chatting. Wow. Welcome to either the best or worst rabbit hole you could possibly get onto on the internet. I like to say I'm one of the good ones though. Good side of the internet. I'm just making this more awkward. I'm gonna go back to coding. Keep talking though. Let's see what we got here. So we got our dead end room. That should work by default. Is vent room is chilling. There should be no vent ID assigned to it by default. Now all we need to do is we just need the level Jenny to have this setup. So we want to say for I and unpaired vents, we want to set that to that, and I just want to double check to see how we did that. Set exit vent, and for, I just need to see how the vents also work too, because I just realized there's a lot of extra stuff I don't remember exactly how this works. There we go. So assign vent path gets connected to vent room. I think the same thing is from the vent room generator. Dead end room should be the same thing. Yeah, okay, so when you interact with the vent and we're gonna say is vent room false, it does assign vent path. That connects to the vent room though. And vent room is referenced from here. So what we also need to do is just see where this sets itself up in. I'm going to assume that the vent room 1 will be what it needs it to be. And we can say it is broken vent, it'll just know what it is by default. So here you go. I'm basically just gonna duplicate this line right here. Then we're going to say dead vent room. So you go to vent room, get true vent room 1. Sweet. And then what we're gonna say is vent rooms equal to false. We're gonna add another if statement inside of that. We're gonna say if, ooh, this is a triple nested if statement, that's not great. If dead vent, let's see, is it true, did not set up that variable? Is broken vent. if is broken vent is equal to true, then what we want to say is dead vent room dot assign vent path. You aren't this and dead vent room. Let's see. Class new dead vent room. There we go. Save that. Go over back to the vent. We're gonna say dead vent room. So to the dead vent room. Dead vent room. That assigned vent path is equal to start vent with just self. There we go. Oh my God, Fogbound Arts, what's good? Whatever type of game is gets successful. Hey, thanks, I appreciate that a lot. Hopefully this is gonna be good. Like this is an idea where I was like, you know what, I would really want to play this. What's good, Fogbound? How you doing? How you doing? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the nonsense that's going on right now. What? Later today. I gotta do the stream. I gotta teach. I gotta take Justin to the event. I gotta come back. Later today. Look at your Steam stuff. I kind of want to play do Steam stuff. You're doing bad right now. Oh no. You okay? You want to talk about it? I mean, we can talk about it afterwards if you don't want to talk about it on stream chat, which I totally get. But yeah. Hope things get better. And if you want to, Ben, go over the details with me later. You know, I'm here for you. You're more into animation, if you say so yourself. Ooh, very cool. I did some 3D animation for a bit, but what kind of animation are you talking about? I just love animation as a medium as an entirety. Like this entire game right here is inspired by... Oh my God. Hey, good shit, you got your permit. And 2D animation, that's a tough one. Yeah, okay, wow, Fogbound. No, you're good. That's a... Yeah, I'm gonna hit you up after this. I'm gonna check in on you. And 2D art is huge. Like, what kind of 2D art are we talking here? Are you talking like skeletal 2D animation, hand-drawn? I think skeletal's more like Toon Boom, kind of like the Johnny Test style after a few seasons. Yeah, but dang, Fogbound, I'm really sorry to hear that. Yeah, but definitely, yeah, we're definitely gonna tap in once the stream's gonna end in a little bit anyway, because I have to like just get ready for stuff at 12:30. But yeah, I'm gonna tap in with you. Oh, he looks comfortable. Rubber Hose animation, yo, that's fire. Yo, we have a Discord, and if you have any Rubber Hose samples, send that to the Discord. You sure? I'm probably still gonna bother you, because that's just what I do. But yeah, ooh, okay, you got a favorite Rubber Hose animation that you want to talk about? You ever join the Discord? Hell yeah, welcome to the think tank. Wait, I have to test this out to see if this works.
Even this just helps right around scratching.
Yeah, I don't know what allergies he's got going on right now.
I'm not even like, my nails are super late.
Play that. Player rev. Dot global position. Let's see. Yeah, hit us with it. That room. I think we had someone who also did 2D animation like a really long time ago. I'm bringing it back to the, specifically Rubber Hose too. You're bringing it back to the server. Dead vent room. Dead vent. Dot exit point. Dot global position. Okay, that should be that. I think vent room has a reference to it, or dead vent room has it. Dead vent. Yeah, okay. So, I think this works. Else exit vent. What? This is really enjoying the scratching. Okay, so else exit vent. The apartment ref. Yeah, I've been liking. I just responded to it today. They're good stuff. I mean, we have a pretty similar sense of humor. You don't have a favorite, you just like the art style? Oh, you know, I love it. Like, most of my drawings are like Rubber Hose style. Like, my current, I'll show you some later. Mostly because I just can't draw joints, and it really gives me an excuse to make like wiggly arms. But you know, Rubber Hose is great. And gosh darn you for reminding me to play Cuphead, because now I gotta beat that. I've been avoiding it for almost 6 years now, I think. Okay, hold on, just make sure it's gonna work. So if it's not an eggs event, or if the eggs event is not null, and if it is not event room, cool, check. If it is a vent room, or it's a broken vent, then it's gonna set the dead vent room, the assigned path is equal to self, then player ref, the goal position is equal to dead vent, there we go. Else, vent room, that assigned path, self, and exit vent, so we already know setup, then we do that. And then else, then we just teleport to the ref, we set the global position. Yeah, this is gonna work maybe, I don't know, it's good to do a thing. All vents are paired, but in an even amount, we're not paired. Yeah, I know that, dude. Now we go here. Okay. Wait, wrong here. Invalids set index goal position on base nil without a type. Okay, so what didn't set up? Uh-oh. So we do know they tried to take us there, which is good. But what's not great, what's not dope is player ref didn't happen. Yeah, boy. Which means something went wrong in my player script. Let's see what that was. It appears this didn't happen. Why not? If I run the game and I see that, we can see that common refs is existing right here and player refs is existing right here. If I double click that, it is a, where is it actually? Wait, no, it's not possible. It can't be. Player ref is that. What are you? Object ID 329840 blah 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 blah. Oh, dude, wait. Nah, that's fine. All right, here we go. Running it again. Same error. All right. Opening the thing. Then I'm gonna go into the thing. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Vent ID F61. That's correct. Is vent room. Okay, so these aren't set up. Did I not set that up properly? Wouldn't be surprising. Is that room? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, there it is. All right, so there's a couple things I have to do because I forgot the last thing I have to do on the level gen is set right there is equal to dead event. Then I dot is broken vent is equal to true. And yeah, that should be it. Now if we run it, then we just continue like this. Okay. All right, so that's fine, I guess. The problem is just, yeah, it doesn't know what the player is, which isn't great. Oh wait, that's probably why. It exists before the player actually exists, which isn't great. So we're just gonna replace all the player ref variables with that. So now we always have that. And if we run it, what are we working on right now? We are working on a roguelike extraction shooter in the same style as Doom from the 90s. I can tell you the little summary I have right here. Extraction roguelike FPS where you play as Humphrey, a recently fired, soon to be evicted tenant of their apartment complex. Your landlord has given you 7 days to get the money back to pay them or face the consequences. Travel to each floor of the complex to rob and defeat your neighbors and send their precious heirlooms back to your apartment for upgrades and profits. Make sure you pay your rent by the end of the week or face the wrath of your landlord. So, this is what we're making. It sounded cool in my head. I'm gonna make it. It's way less complex than the turn-based RPG I had an idea for, and that sounds fun. So if we do this, we don't get the error. It takes us to the vent, red, takes us back here, also red. I can open up this apartment, please. Can't open from the other side, cool, good thing there's no walls. Nice, all right, now all we have to do is just see if, what vent is a dead vent? Wait, does it tell me what vents are what, or am I just unable to code what I want to properly code? This says vent 2. Okay, and I'm assuming they all say vent 2 instead of like what their actual vent IDs are, right? If I'm not incorrect, yeah. All right, so what I need to do now is I just need to test to see which vents are dead and which ones aren't dead. What? Can I open what? What? No, I'm streaming. Go do something else. Go clean or something. Check Discord. I'll check Discord in a second. Let me just finish this up. No, I'm not opening the server while I'm streaming. I'm not hosting a server while I'm streaming on 2 different platforms.
What? Maybe next time.
Go eat your breakfast. Go take your medicine.
Shut up.
Go be a responsible child.
No!
Alright. I just have to figure out what events are dead. And your Quincy, don't make me throw you on stream.
Please.
I will throw you on
Don't
stream.
do
I will
this.
throw you.
That's so immature.
It is. Also pulling my chair while I'm working is immature.
Oh, okay.
It is 8 p.m. for you right now. It is 12:08 for me. Thanks for telling me.
8 p.m.
Yes,
What's that?
Britain. Yes, Fogbound Terraria, modded Terraria. Would you potentially be down?
Do it! Sorry, I'm sorry.
I'm throwing him on stream. I'm throwing him. He's going
sorry.
clean across the room, my dude.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna deadlift him. It's gonna be crazy. I'm jacked. If you pull me, Quincy, I swear to God. You be down? Cool. I'll send you.
Like Jackson, Mortal Kombat.
Send you the mod list. Do it, Boom Boy.
Is he joining us? Is he gonna join us? Is he gonna join us?
No, Quincy.
Is he gonna join us?
Oh, Will. Yeah.
Is he gonna join us?
Get out of here!
Oh my god! Well, your glasses, are they okay? I don't want to crush them. Oh, okay.
Are we good?
No!
I'm trying to go. Let me go. Let me go. We're good. We're good. Say Uncle.
No, I won't.
Say it. Say it. Say it.
I won't.
I will put you in a triangle armbar. Say it.
You didn't do it right.
Say it, Uncle.
I don't know what you did, but you didn't do it right.
Say it, Uncle. Say it. Oh, you're right. Hold on. Arms. No. There. Say it, Uncle.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Say it.
Oh, that doesn't feel good.
Say it.
Is this how you felt?
I don't know, but say it.
Oh, wait, you're not doing it right. Hold on.
Say it.
What's that? Hold on.
What?
You gotta do it like that.
Oh, like this?
Yeah, and then you pull a little bit. Oh, shit.
Say it.
Oh, shit. Yeah,
Say it.
Uncle.
Oh, we're good.
That does not feel good.
I bet it doesn't.
I'm sorry that I did that to you.
Did you do that to me before?
Yes, you're like, oh, I get. What? Why'd you slap me?
Ah.
You slapped me.
Ah.
I need to get more flexible.
Let me go up, please. Were those my glasses?
Yeah.
Ow!
No, my hair, no. Why would you do that?
Why'd you throw my glasses?
Because you did it to my wife.
That's different. It's like $5. And he's like, ah! Where'd they go?
They're right there. Man, freak this stream.
Freak you!
Freak your viewers. Freak you. Freak everything, man.
That was good, Purple One. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. So, anyway, where were we?
Famous streamer, I don't know what time it abuses his little brother off stream.
So anyway, we were yeah, testing the vents to make sure they worked. Oh yeah, we needed to see if they were actually dead vents or not. Hey, Safe, what's good? I'm doing pretty great. How's your plan on creating your own country and also learning Turkish now in that specific order? Or maybe that is your specific order. Did Duolingo kidnap your family yet? Okay, so what are you doing, Jojo? Okay, where were we? Yeah, so we were seeing the vents worked, kind of. It'd be kind of cool if 2 of them led to the dead vent area anyway. I'm just in denial. We gotta wait 6 years and you can start your plan. All right, I'm here for it. Let me be an early investor though so I can get on your currency. Okay, so exit vent. Right now I just need to wait for it to change its name. So I'm just gonna say right here. Where's the level generator? Here we go. There we go. Okay, so if we do that, I should be able to see what I'm looking at least. All right. So now we're going to look through every single one of our little levels here, see what we got going on. There's only 10 of them. Okay. There we go, dead man. And if it should just teleport right back, right? Wait, did this actually work? Dude! All right, cool, we're good.
Whoa, the Suicide Squad is how it's great.
What?
Suicide Squad is how it's great.
The game?
Yeah.
It's mid.
The anime.
It's mid. Oh, not the anime, no, the game's mid.
Yeah.
Shut up, Quincy. Okay, player now, any event that doesn't have a pair teleports player to a random event room or random one-way event room encounter. Oh, see, until then, I'm gonna say that first week of July, you'll get your mushroom spawn. Yo, I saw this crazy thing yesterday in the store where it was like a drink, like it's kind of like kombucha, but it was made out of mushrooms. It said ancient mushroom elixir. I almost bought that. Also, I was just talking to someone and they brought up mushroom farming. And like, I remembered, it's like, oh yeah, we actually have someone who's an expert in that in the chat. It was crazy. You're kind of making me want to grow mushrooms now. I know you said the profit about it, but I honestly just in it for the science. Okay, so, the next thing we have to do, ancient mushroom, yeah, hold on, it goes hard. Let me see if I can find a picture of it. It's crazy. It's like actually insane. Let me not dock myself with Google, because it does do that if you look up something. Yeah, found it. It's made by the same dude that made yeah, it's made by the same guy as GT Dave. Fog Mountains GT Dave is the same guy. GT's Alive Mixer. I don't know, I mean, he kind of looks like Gandalf. Look at this. It's mushroom root beer. It's $15.40 a bottle, dude. I better be immortal after making this. Hold up. Look at this guy. It's the craziest looking billionaire ever, man, but he's so cool. Look at him. Look at this. He owns an owl. Apparently he's like super nice, but he's just like a super villain. Cody Cole went to his house. GT Dave. Yeah, look at this. This is a villain's house. Dude's got Perlin noise on his wall. That's weird. And it's kombucha, dude. But it's so chill. Sure, I mean, this house is sterile and make me go slightly insane looking at it, but still, dude. Ancient mushroom drink. $4.49, dude. It's crazy. Okay. My brain is dying right now. He is a robot. On the low, yeah. Okay, so we got the vents working. I don't remember what I have left on my little task sheet here. Yeah, there we go. Finish out map design. Gonna learn how to, okay. Let's look this up. How to make FPS rooms in Godot. But full course, that's like 2 hours, dude. Okay, so. How to make a 3D room in Godot. That's what we're looking for, baby.
Hello.
This is a tutorial that spans, I don't care about the news or informing myself. I want to say ignorant to world events. That's what they're saying. I don't even know what the ads.
Hello everyone, Alan. Today we're going to be learning how we can make something like this in the Godot game engine.
Okay, this is Godot 3.
And that's because if we go to our mesh instance, I have a quad mesh. Essentially what happens with the quad mesh is that if you see over here, I can see one side, but the other side I cannot see. And if you look over here, if I can see this side, but I can't see that side. So it's really helpful for games if you're trying to save on performance. For example, you know the player's only going to be seeing this side, so you make sure that this side doesn't render because there's no point in that side rendering. For example, it happens in a lot of AAA titles where they don't actually render the back side of things. We have a simple scene set up over here with a mesh. Right, and this mesh over here has a material. Now, don't get scared when you hear material, because usually when people hear materials, they think shader materials and visual shaders and like coding and no, you don't have to touch that just yet. Well, over here we go to our material, we click it, and you can see it. You just go.
He went to what's that? I haven't heard of this website. It's cc0textures.com. I usually use Polyhaven, but I'm gonna pull that up right here. See. All right, site wasn't a virus. That goes hard. Let's see if they are all free. My guide, they might be free, boys. Ooh, wait, this goes kind of hard. Because for the game, I was either gonna do a bunch of hand shot and stuff, or I could just crunch textures down to oblivion to make it more retro Doom style, figuring it out as we go. That's fire. All right. What else you got from me? NAD Labs.
Find something you like and download it. I personally went with the Notch space because I believe. It was right there.
I'm curious about.
I just saw it. Oh, right here. I literally downloaded Office Ceiling Texture. And you can, at the top, it looks like nothing's there, but at the bottom, it does. And that's because if we go to our.
How do you make this collision? Over here, is it literally just? Oh, really? It's just a collision shape with a box. Okay, cool. So this actually makes our life really easy, and we're gonna test it out right now. So I have a 3D scene here, and we're gonna make this whatever is the apartment. Under encounter, we have an attic. Yep, okay, should be static meshes. Sweet. Check Discord. I'm checking Discord right now. All right, give me a second. See general. Ooh, okay, hold on. We're gonna check out your animation right now. No, don't worry. And I'm also make sure you get the proper. Word I'm trying to find role, because we're giving the top role besides right before mod to the first 50 who joined. I've never said that. All right. Hold on. I'm on a different Discord. Real quick, make sure I'm on the right one here. Bless you. Bless you.
Thank you.
What Discord are you talking about? Are you talking about which one? Alright. DM it to home. Well, I'll check the Discord in a bit. I'm kind of trying to see where everything's at right now. But if you did send me something on Discord, I didn't get it. Maybe I haven't updated it yet. Think tank. All right, cool. I'll check it there in a second. Let me just test out this real quick. What's the thing the guy said? So we need a static mesh. Well, let's get a node 3D just to act as our kind of root for our room. Then let's get a static mesh, or static body 3D. We're gonna call this one wall. And we are going to give it a collision shape and also a mesh instance. 3D. Oh, reverse link. Oh yeah. That's what it is. I just processed that. Dude, that's crazy. Just in general. Oh yeah. No, okay, let's check it out right now. I'm all over the place. You in the lo-fi so we can see what you got going on. Drag it over here so we can see what's up here. Yo, okay. Is that a smear test right there? That goes pretty hard. Nice, I like the little squiggle with the smile in between there too. That's some good personality. Good stuff, Nub. I like it. Or Boom Boy at the same time too. All right, cool. This is sick. Oh yeah, yeah. Art Showcase is the place to put it there, but still super cool spot. Let me update my Discord real quick too, because it's gonna bother me forever unless I see it. Alright, running my music. There we go. Okay, cool, we're good there, good here. Alright, the last thing we want to do, I think, for today's stream is setting up our collision shape 3D for our room test. I just want to see what this is going to look like. So the dude used a quad mesh, because quad meshes only render on one side, rad. And I wonder if we can set it for two-sided rendering. Flip faces. Okay, that's that. LDV padding material. Okay. Orientation faces Z. Oh, cool. Oh, sick. All right, cool. So we can change that. We can flip the faces like that, so we can have like a very specific size. And then I can do snap to grid. Oh, wait, dude. Wait, hold on. This is actually huge. So I can do snap to grid too, and then I can just actually design the level like this. Too bad Godot's, oh, no, it's just on the unit. I just imagine it being the center of the square because weirdness. But let's quickly test this out, actually. We're gonna give this a box shape. And we're gonna snap that box shape to here. That's too much. That's too much snapping right there. Just need to half it on the Z, 0.5. No, okay, that's not right. It's not quite right. So if I do this, and what if I just, nah, it's gonna snap to that unit. Alright, we'll figure that part out later. This doesn't really matter too much, but we do want to do, as kind of our last things for testing is, wait, did I miss? Okay. I think the last thing we want to do for testing is just grabbing one of those materials we saw online, which we just have here. I don't know, what's a good broken down apartment, because the first level is the projects. And we got roofing, we got tiling, we got pattern. I want to see if we can get kind of some kind of like back roomy looking wall, because I don't think tiles we want. We got yellow. Oh, tiled yellow pattern. Oh, cool. The tags combine like that. If I just look up yellow, what do I get? There we go. Yeah. Okay, hold up. Now we're cooking. Sponge material, dude. Give me some drywall, dude. Give me some wallpaper. Oh wait, there's literally a wall thing right here. Look at that. That doesn't look like walls to me. Let's see, plaster. Okay. Yeah. All right, and let's get some old plaster wall. Yeah. This is nasty. All right. Okay. Let's get that. Is this free? Is this like free to use? Is this like a free license? It is. It's gonna give me it in JPEG form. Perfect. Gimme. Yes. Okay. Let's open up that bad boy over there. Thank you for not opening on my main monitor. That would have been annoying. It did it anyway. Alright. Open that up, and I just want to grab, the actual... Wow, it came with the lighting data too. And the cool thing about the games we're making here is we don't even have to worry about that really. We just have to put that there. Where did that go? Ah, yes. Not in the folder we needed it to go. Yes, quite. Alright, we put that there, making sure that everything exists where it's supposed to be. Like this one needs to quickly be moved over to scripts. Dead end room needs to move to scripts. There we go. Cool. Now we go over here. We go over here to our mesh instance, and we want to give it a material. I don't need to look at the rest of the material, dude. I'm too cool. I don't need to worry about that. UV1, oh, here we go. What was it called? Painted place. Dude, okay, that's not quite right. It's kind of funny though, I'm not gonna lie. You guys getting a good laugh out of this? I am. I might be losing my mind, but I'm getting a grand old laugh out of this. All right, let's see. Can I just create a material out of it? Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, this PNG is literally the icon for it. Okay. I even processed that. What we do want, there we go. We went to painted plaster JPEG. I'm gonna drag that into this folder. There we go. Okay, so you do have to have it highlighted for that to work. Quick load. Here it is. Perfect, dude. Okay. So I don't know if the scene has lighting in it. It does. Rad. Okay. So now what I'm wondering is if I actually expand this mesh like this, is it going to distort the texture? It will. But if I extend the... Yeah, okay, cool. So that's what I was kind of worried about. can I get this material so instead of it actually doing that, it would tile itself? This is resource itself, not grow. Okay, that's not what we want. This is the billboard we want? I don't know if billboard is what we need. So we have white billboard, that's not what we want. We basically just want to make sure that the actual texture itself just tiles on top of the material. And rather than just looking up how to do this, I'm just gonna see if I can figure it out. BB1 scale. This is triplanar. I have no idea what this is. I don't mess with textures at all, dude, so.
So why does he look like this?
What?
This is the light skin sticker, so it's the same.
That is the light skin stick. Okay, we're gonna mess around with this triplanar mapping to see what we can get here. I'm just seeing what we have going on. Filter. Nearest. Okay, hold on. We might be cooking again. Nearest mid mill. No. Okay, we don't want to mess with that too much. Repeat. Turn off this repeat. No. We don't want to mess with that detail. What's that? Oh, okay, cool. This is where we can like add the lighting to it as well. Height and inclusion, no clear coat rim, normal mat. Emissions. Oh. Okay, we're gonna definitely figure this out later, but this is kind of rad. We got something to really mess with right now, and that's what we wanted to do. I think for next stream, what we're gonna do is we're just going to design a bunch of rooms inside of Godot and then just place them around the level and start actually fully fleshing out our level here. Because we have the setup for how it should be designed, we just don't actually have them running. So guys, I think that's gonna do it for today. I do have to go, oh, wrong one. I do have to go a little bit earlier because I got to do a different thing in a bit. Let me just make sure I backed up my project. Always back up your project before you end it. Oh, cool, I didn't know GitHub could show you the textures you added. All right, added, like I say, work in progress, map design. Trying out the quad mesh node or mesh type for better map generation. Cool, got that? Red, and that's done there. Sweet. Okay, so I got that all built up. Let's give our thank yous as per usual with the end of the stream. Special thanks to RD for hopping in and then also saying being late is your job and immediately hopping out. I love that. Matt Studio for hopping in. Thanks for coming back for day 2. Hope to see you in the next one. The Boom Boy for joining in all the way across the globe and showing off your sick rubber hose smear test. I love that. Keep it up. And welcome to the think tank as well. Fogbound Arch for hopping in. Always love to see you here, dude. I'm gonna again still check in with you later. I'm gonna show you the details anyway for the trail because that's happened today. Not getting away from that. And also, of course, last but not least, the Purple 111 for coming in to see that fight happening, and Safe for bringing in the mushroom talk. Good, best of luck again on continuing to learn Turkish and also your plans for developing your own country. That's super interesting. Either way, guys, that's gonna do it for today. I will see you tomorrow at the same time because today is Thursday, and I'll see you on 11 a.m. PST tomorrow. Depending if we change the time. If I do change the time, check the Twitch. Check the Twitch schedule if I change it there. Check the Twitch, Twitter, because I'm more accurate there, or just have notifications on because my phone should spam. Your phone should spam me, or whatever you should spam me if I'm on here. Either way, that's gonna do it for today, guys. Hope you had a great one, and I hope you see you in the next one. Peace.